we answer one very simple question wondered by many beginners in the world of Nichiren Buddhism. How many times should I chant Nam-Myoho-Renge-Kyo? Chanting Nam-Myoho-Renge-Kyo is a loving practice. There is no magic number you must chant. What matters most is how true and kind your heart is when you chant. Many people chant twice a day: morning, to start the day with energy and love; evening, to relax and feel peaceful before sleep. A good idea for beginners is to chant for 15 to 30 minutes each session. If you feel ready, you can chant a bit longer. Remember, even a few minutes of sincere chanting is wonderful. Your chanting can change with your feelings and goals. For daily strength, chant for 15 to 30 minutes in the morning and evening. When facing challenges, try chanting a little longer, like 1 hour. For big changes, some people chant very long, but always follow what feels right for you. Every person is unique. If you are new, start with 5 to 10 minutes. As you feel more comfortable, you can slowly add more time. It is not the number that counts, it is the love and focus you put in. Life changes, and so can your chanting time. If you chant for 1 hour, that's great. If you can only chant for 15 minutes, that is just as good. Keep your practice steady and always chant with sincerity. The true power of chanting Nam-Myoho-Renge-Kyo is not in a fixed count. It is in the transformation of your heart and life when you chant with joy, confidence, and belief. There is no right or wrong number. Just follow what feels best for you. Comment chant now. Then click to watch I chanted Nam-Myoho-Renge-Kyo for years and it didn't work until I realized this.